This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to showcase how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So, as you can clearly see, my parental controls are active, so in order for me to get rid of them without having to grant any parental approval, authentication or confirmations, you will need to launch Settings, enter Google category, go for the Manage Your Google Account button, then open the Data and Privacy section, scroll the page all the way down, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to move forward, we will need to input the child's Google account password, so let me quickly do that. After that, you will need to check those two boxes at the bottom, tap at the Delete Account button, and at this point, the parental controls should have already been deactivated, so let me quickly check and show it to you guys. Yep, as you can see, once I enter the Google category of settings again, there is no Google account linked to my system, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So at this point, I will simply need to recover the Google account I have just deleted, which you can very easily and quickly do by signing into any Google app or service with it. I'll go with Play Store. For example, you can use whatever Google app you please. Then you should get the following message. So after this message appears, hit the next button and enter the account password. Nine out of 10 times you will stumble upon the following error, or you'll get the following something went wrong message. That's completely fine. You gotta simply re-enter the account credentials. So let me quickly do that. And as you can see, the second time around Google lets me go through, so I can finish the sign-in, which basically already identifies that the Google account was recovered and now can be used as usual. But as you can see, here's the additional proof. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.